This is how you create custom titles and descriptions for your pages and posts in WordPress, and also how to create an XML sitemap for your website, all using the WordPress SEO by Yoast plugin. First of all, we're going to install the plugin, so go to Plugins, Add New, and type WordPress SEO. So install the plugin, click OK, and then activate it. So next we're going to go to one of our pages, which also works equally for posts, and we're going to add a title and description. It's particularly useful when you're using generic titles like services, because that's what you want to appear in your navigation menu, because that's a real wasted opportunity if you have that as your main page title. And so Yoast provides a good option for having a custom title. So we're going to use the WordPress SEO by Yoast section, which appears now we've installed the plugin. So enter your SEO title here. The best practice is to use your main keyword for your page at the beginning of the title, because that's the bit that search engines see as the most important, and to also use your company name at the end so that people recognise it. So for my page, the main page is WordPress Web Design, and it's also useful to put your area so that local people can find you. So I'm going to type Devon, UK, and then a company name, which is Barn2 Media. And we're also going to add a meta description, which is WordPress Web Designers in Devon and Barn2 Media. So the SEO title appears at the very top of your browser, and it's also the first people see in search engines, so it's really, really useful to have a custom title there. And the meta description is often the snippet of text that appears underneath that in search engines, and so that's good to add, even though search engines don't actually read the description as such in order to decide how highly to place your site, so it's still useful to use it. So I'm going to save my page. And now we're going to create an XML sitemap. So go to the SEO link that appears in the menu, which wasn't there before. It's the new link that was installed by the plugin, and then go to the XML sitemaps link. It's really easy to create a sitemap. You just tick the box and some other options appear, and the only ones that I generally use are to ping Yahoo and ask.com, and that means that whenever you add a page or post to your website, those search engines will automatically be notified of your new sitemap, so it will help them keep your site up to date and index the new content. And then we click Save Settings, and that's all we need to do to set up an XML sitemap. So these are really good ways to improve your search engine position.